Hi guys, hi everyone. I'd like to welcome you all to my channel. My name is Maru. Welcome everybody. As you can see, do you remember that baby that I shared with you? Was it 2 years ago? Yeah, it was his birthday recently, yeah? And yeah, he's decided to fall asleep in my arms. No. He was asleep and then he came downstairs and I was like, let me just hold him, and now he has fallen asleep. If I say that with confidence, my mom will be like, put him down. So welcome to my channel, everybody. I really just wanted to share with you our new home. As you know, if you've been watching any of my videos, we just recently moved to the UK, and we are like adjusting slowly, one step at a time. And I've been wanting to share with you like what our home looks like here, but I've been like, oh, maybe this is missing, that is missing. But I was like, no, it's never gonna happen if I've got that kind of mentality. And since we just got here, things, they're not gonna shape up tomorrow. All right. So whatever you see in here, it is what it is. There's nothing to hide. There's nothing to, to feel ashamed about, because everybody starts somewhere. I came here with just boxes, and now look, I'm in this lovely apartment. And the way that we got this apartment was through a friend, guys. Yeah, getting accommodation is very difficult, but a friend thought about us while she was talking to the realtors, and it was like, okay, yeah, bring them, let's see. They looked at our documents and everything worked well. So hey, hi, God is good, let me tell you, because it was such a stressful situation. We really wanted the kids to come, and we'd been searching and searching, and realtors were not assisting us until one actually opened their ears to us, which was totally amazing. I just believe that it is God's grace. Okay. So let me show you around the house. I'm probably gonna start upstairs and then show you the downstairs, and yeah, that's that. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, subscribe if you're interested in lifestyle content and health content, mommy life where I can film and stuff like that. Hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Let's go upstairs. Okay, I really didn't like stairs at the at first, but yeah, so I need to sort that out. But this is the main room. It's fairly large. We're still using an air bed because, yes, we'll try get a proper bed later. And then we have a TV and this little cabinet. This cabinet, we got it off of Facebook. All right, somebody was giving it away, so we're like, yes, we'll take it. And some lovely person actually gifted us this TV. So yeah, we've been very lucky. Then we have another room here that we are considering our closet. As you can see, it's just clothes. There isn't any much of a storage area in this place. So yeah, just clothes over there. We got these cupboards, these wardrobes from Facebook Market. As you can see, they don't actually properly close, but later on I'm sure we'll get cupboards that are going to be suitable. A chest of drawers, so my husband and I use that one. My baby uses this chest of drawers, and then my son uses this one. Of course, something's broken there, some little thing that somebody's playing with. So yeah, that's basically the other room. It's very small, so we're like, might as well just use it as a closet. So we have this little door over here. It opens up, and this is basically one of the storage places that we have. So we've stuck a couple of our bags in there. I think more can go up there, and we'll definitely add some stuff. Then we have a toilet. It's a toilet by itself. See if I hit that on the light. It's a toilet by itself, and it's just a toilet and then little blank space, so there's really nothing much to it. Then we go over this side where we have the other room. This is the boys' room. Okay, it's a boys' room. it's very small, but luckily it can fit a bunk bed. We got this bunk bed off of Facebook. It was what, £100, and we were like, how about 80? And the person agreed. It's very, very stable, and they're gonna use it for a couple of years, like honestly. And my baby's still sleeping on the floor. He wants to sleep on the floor because we are yet to get a curtain for this room. So he's like, I don't want to see the stuff that's happening outside. So sleeping on the floor is best for now. And there, it's morning time. My baby's milk bottle that I still need to pick up. And then the last one is the restroom. We have a bathtub and a little sink. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Up here, it's a little small house that we really, really, really like. As you can see up there, we don't have the light. What do they call them? What do you call this thing? I got that off of Facebook Market. What is it, by the way? Lampshade? What light? Whatever. But yeah, we don't have any of them upstairs, or even... Oops. Oh, it loses focus. I don't know why. But we don't have any of those upstairs. Actually, we don't have any in any part of the house. So let me show you what's downstairs. Most of the things that we have, we had to get them from the Facebook Market. So this is the living room. It is a large space, okay? So behind the couch here, we have to store some stuff because there isn't any space. We got this couch off of Facebook, and of course laundry. And this is what I love the most about the living room. Can you see, guys? The sun is shining, and it's shining right through, so we can enjoy it when it's really, really warm. It comes with a fireplace. I've never operated it as yet, and we'll operate it in a little bit because it's getting cold. Yeah, there's no other space for us to hang the stuff, so that's the best place to do it. And then we got this table off of Facebook Market, and so far it is assisting us with what we need. We also got the curtains off the Facebook Market. There was no pole when we got here, so yeah, there was nothing. It also has another large radiator, and then another storage room that you can just walk into, where we have placed everything that we basically have and own for now. So I absolutely love this, especially since the sun is shining. Yes, and so this is the outside. It it needs a lot of work. There's a little shed over there next to the Jojo. But I think we can like plant some stuff if ever we get the chance, and we really need to get rid of these weeds, but nobody's got the time to do so. Maybe, yeah, when we get the time, we will. So let's check out the kitchen, my absolute favorite place. So this is the kitchen. Hi. Hello, Nana. Grab your things and go. So this is the kitchen, guys. It's a very, very lovely space. I think, as you can see, my hips are not gonna be bumping into any cabinet. So starting off, we have the refrigerator. I absolutely love this fridge. We got this brand new. This felt like it's something that I wanted to get for myself. Okay, something just, what it wasn't too expensive, but I absolutely love it. It's nice and silver, and I think it complements the cupboards that are like, I don't know, gray. I don't even know, but I was just like, that's a better color. And then we have these two. I got these two off of Facebook Market. I think they were £10, and they are good enough. The microwave was like £15, and they just happened to be black. I was just like, might as well go with black. We have a nice stove with an oven. I've been using it like almost every day. And then a sink, which is one-sided. I still need to get to, one of those, what do they call it? Those drying racks. And yeah, there's a lot. We have I think that's a radiator. No? What is it? The boiler over there. And then what else? Oh, this little space is where we usually put our trash for now, but it needs a washing machine, which we have not yet gotten. We will get with time. And of course, trash cans. we don't have those as well. So yeah, it's relatively, guys, it's very, very simple there. The cabinets are very, very nice. They are wide. There is enough space. I recently got a blender and a food processor at one of those charity shops. So I absolutely love it. And then this is the curtain that I'm not yet used to having this curtain out here, because I feel like when it's night time and you're just, and you're just standing over here, somebody out there can see, especially if the light is on, and I'm not about that life. But usually at night, nobody is there, but it looks like really, really great. Let me go show you the bins outside. So yeah, when we came, the flowers were it was looking really pretty. But yeah, we have these bins. We have actually 4 of them. The green ones are for recycling. The black one is for garden waste, and we have to pay for that. And the last one is for regular waste. So they are picked up like every 2 weeks or something. And yeah, so we have to pay for some of the stuff. Garden waste, we haven't actually paid for that as yet. And when you enter, the stroller is right here, because we go in and out. Yes, Nana, I'm coming. We go in and out for pickup. I've had to get used to keys, guys. In Korea, they were not operating with keys. It was always keypads, so I have to get used to carrying keys and using them. Yes, yeah. And that's about it. And this is where our lovely display of some of our daily shoes. So, somebody decided to wake up before I finish filming. But the rent over here, it's 1,100. 1,100. And there's also council tax that's like £200. All in all, our bills, yeah, they are there. But I'm just so grateful that we were able to get this place. I'm so thankful, because people they struggle to get accommodation in the UK. I don't know if it's just in this area where I'm at, but yeah, when we went to the realtors, one was just like, it's easier for them to trust people that have been here, or to trust a Brit, more than like somebody that just arrived 4 months ago without referencing. And but we were lucky, because we got in here with jobs. We had our references, and everything was just as clear as that. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys our little home, our new home that still needs a lot of work, but I believe in one step at a time. There is no pressure, as long as everybody is healthy, eating right, and yeah, the kids are fine, then the rest will come into place at the right time. Okay, everything has got its time. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and share it if you will. And leave me a comment down there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.